Hello colorful people, welcome back to another video. In today's video we'll be doing a dress Shein haul. It's more on the classy side, more on the bougie auntie rich auntie side, so let's go. First up is this stretchy tiger print dress, and it's a Shein staple because I see everybody of them. It goes down below the knee. It's very thin, it's on the thinner side, but you wear proper underwear underneath, it can still look good. So the more it's stretched, the paler it looks. Next up is this ribbed, runched side dress. It has, oh wait, guess what? It's on backwards. Give me a minute. So here we are. It has a little gold thing at the sleeve, well, not the sleeve, the shoulder. So it can be worn as an off the shoulder asymmetric kind of shape top. Yeah. And I got it on sale for like $4, I think. Next up is another ribbed dress, and I bought this in a size large, and it came too large, so we'll take up that part there. There's a tie at the front. You can tie it in a bow or leave it hanging, and it's very stretchy. Well, it's ribbed, so it's stretchy. The material feels really good, and I got this on sale. I think it was for $5, and it also has an asymmetrical cut. Up next is this black and white stretchy pencil dress. It's form fitting, and I had no idea this was so thin. It is see-through, so if you're buying this dress you have to be careful of the underwear you wear underneath it, but it feels comfortable. Next up is this beautiful blue dress. I got this dress to wear to a wedding, and it was amazing. It did shot. It is very formal. It can be worn in two ways. You got to start at the front. It's runched at the front, and it has a split mid-thigh, so it has a split down the middle. I think this dress was for $18 or $20, somewhere thereabout. So it can be worn two ways. You can put the sleeves up, or you can wear it down if you like. This dress had the same style, but this one came with long sleeves. For all the church girlies, this dress is for you. Or the persons who like floral prints. And it came also in a red. Next up is this maxi African print dress. It's tight at the top, it's close at the top and flowy at the bottom. It feels very elegant. It feels like evening wear with your heels. This dress is more on the casual side, like if you're going for a supermarket run, day at the beach, or Sunday evening stroll for some ice cream. It's very stretchy and it's runched at the side, and it has no sleeves, so it's strapless. And we're at my favorite item in this haul. It is this flowy romper. The top is ribbed and then the bottom is stretchy. It can be worn formally and it can also be worn casually. Up next we have this stretchy plaid. Is it plaid? Stripe plaid. Plaid flowy pants. It's more on the elegant side, but I think it can be worn casually. So it has a bell shaped foot. Last but not least is this gray stretchy pants. Feels like a romper. It feels like a joggers, but it has a flared leg. It has a bell-shaped leg. And this is where I end this video for today. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Until next time, continue to live good, live healthy, and live colorful.